At least 20 coronavirus hotspots in Delhi and 22 in Noida and Greater Noida have been sealed, which means the lockdown restrictions here are more severe. No person can exit their apartments or be on the lanes outside their homes in these areas. The governments have assured that delivery of essential supplies will continue. Meanwhile, many states have asked for an extension of the lockdown considering the rapid spread of the virus. Health authorities are set to conduct pooled testing at locations that have not reported any coronavirus case so far for a real estimate of the outbreak. The testing protocol will remain the same, that is symptomatic people only, but the scope has been widened beyond hotspots. These tests will take place in 436 districts that have zero reported COVID-19 cases. Government data showed that Haryana and Delhi governments provided 2 out of every 3 meals given to migrant workers and the needy by state governments through food camps during the nationwide lockdown, and Kerala has provided shelter to nearly half of the people given shelter across the country. Around 30 healthcare workers at Delhi's All India Institute of Medical Sciences were put under quarantine on Wednesday as a patient admitted in a different ward turned out to be COVID positive later. The 70-year-old patient was admitted in the cardio-neuro ward, and when he developed breathing difficulties, he was tested and turned out positive for COVID-19. Such cases are being reported from many institutions, causing the infection to spread even among healthcare staff. The top court ordered that the government needs to ensure coronavirus tests are conducted for free in both state-run and private diagnostic labs. Coronavirus tests are already free at government hospitals. The Supreme Court ruled that private labs cannot be allowed to charge up to Rs 4,500 for the test in the middle of the ongoing crisis, as nobody should be denied a test for financial restrictions if he or she requires one. After India released the hydroxychloroquine drug for the United States, its President Donald Trump praised Prime Minister Modi for his strong leadership that's not only helping India but humanity, he said. Brazilian President Bolsonaro also thanked the Indian Prime Minister and people for timely assistance to Brazilian people with the export of raw material for the production of the malaria drug that can be used to treat COVID-19 patients, although it is not a cure. World Health Organization Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus called for an end to politicizing the current COVID-19 crisis and warned that if there is no unity within nations and between nations to battle the pandemic, then there will be many more body bags. This was his response when asked about US President Donald Trump's criticism of the WHO and its apparent bias towards China. The WHO chief also called out Taiwan for a racist campaign against him.